Meet your new premium travel partner, the Aerolite ALPC cabin suitcase. The case features a premium aluminium frame with a polycarbonate hardshell for ultimate protection for your items. It's completely zipperless, so there's no easy way for thieves to break in and no zips to fail you when you least expect it. It features 2 latched TSA locks for safety and security. There's a dedicated padded pocket at the front just for your laptop, tablet and cables, complete with its own secure lock. Brilliant for accessing your devices before your meeting, at the airport or at security. It's got a USB port built in so you can top up your phone while you're on the go with your power pack inside the case. It even has a phone holder so you can watch your favourite film or TV show while you wait at the gate. It has 8 top-of-the-range Hinomoto spinner wheels so it glides smoothly and quietly in any direction. It also has a built-in brake switch to prevent the case from rolling away on the bus or train or on sloped surfaces. It even comes with a clear protective cover for extra scuff and scratch protection. Inside you'll find loads of room for your clothes. It has a zippered divider to keep items separate, plus a waterproof pocket for toiletries and a mesh pocket for documents. It features an Aerolite Renew lining made from recycled plastic, complete with antimicrobial treatment to keep the suitcase odour-free. It measures 55 by 40 by 20 centimetres, so it's perfect for virtually all major airlines, including Ryanair Priority, British Airways, EasyJet upgrades and many more. Premium protection and ready to go whenever you are. Your perfect partner for business and leisure travel.